In a data set of financial transactions, what if I told you the most powerful clue for fraud was the number 1? It sounds strange, but it's the foundation of a powerful forensic tool called Benford's law. Benford's law states that in many naturally occurring sets of numbers, the leading digit is likely to be small. The number 1 appears as the leading digit about 30% of the time, while the number 9 appears less than 5% of the time. When numbers are fabricated, humans tend to distribute them evenly, which violates this natural pattern. Your first step in Excel is to isolate that all-important first digit from your list of transactions. We'll use the left function. It's simple. Type equals left, select your data cell, and specify you want just one character from the left. Next, we need to count how many times each leading digit, from 1 through 9, appears in our new column. The COUNTIF function is perfect for this. You'll set the range to your column of first digits, and the criteria will be the digit you're looking for. With our counts complete, the final step is to calculate the percentage for each digit. This allows for a direct comparison to the Benford's law ideal percentages. Simply take the count for a specific digit and divide it by the total number of records. So, let's review the 3-step process. First, isolate the leading digit with the left function. Second, count the occurrences of each digit. And third, calculate the percentage distribution. Now for the moment of truth. Create a bar or line chart comparing your data's distribution against the classic Benford's law curve. If your data was fabricated, you'll see a significant deviation. Natural data will hug the curve closely. A fraudulent data set will often look much flatter or have strange spikes. That deviation is your red flag. That anomaly is your starting point. It isn't proof of guilt, but it's a powerful signal telling you exactly where to focus your investigation. You've just turned a simple spreadsheet into a forensic tool. For more info and to get today's tools, read our docs and grab the checklist in the description below. If you liked this video, do like and subscribe for future updates. See this next video is best for you, YouTube suggested.